Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ and SPX price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see the daily close here for NASDAQ and US 500. So we start with NASDAQ on the 1 hour chart. As we mentioned, of course, we are still in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 unfolding here toward the upside. Very likely that you might be even here in an ending diagonal. So we gotta be careful also from this scenario because I see also a zigzag correction, another zigzag, and I see a wave 4 here potentially hitting the zone 1, and of course in zigzag, and that means of course very likely that we might be here in an ending diagonal. So we gotta be careful with it, unless of course we are also in an AB and a C expanding flat for a longer wave 4. We gotta also be careful from this one. But I doubt it, guys. I doubt it a little bit. I think that the things might continue for higher there. After this correction, we might see another zigzag, as you can see here, A, B, and a C, and the wave C is probably gonna push a little bit higher. But what does this mean? It means, of course, that this might unfold a finished impulse there. And with a finished impulse, it might finish the wave 5, of course, shorter than expected, which it might be, of course, a wave 1 there, wave 2 next, and then continuation toward the upside. So we have to consider this scenario, guys. Okay, so we have to be careful, of course, in case, yeah, it reverses over there and it doesn't reach, of course, the target as expected here between the 0.61826K, especially that we are already in the blue box. Okay, for a still, of course, for a blue box for a potential one too. But yeah, we're gonna see, of course, if we're gonna get out of this blue box. Preferably, of course, that we do. But anyway, if this is gonna end up with a high there, wave 5, of course, this is gonna probably be your 1, 2, and then continuation toward the upside. So this is my expectation for NASDAQ there. I would say, yeah, confirmation for lower is done. We don't need this anymore. We can remove all of it. What we need to watch closer is, of course, this target, this price, in case, of course, we push lower, in case we still have an ABC. As I mentioned, ABC expanding flat for wave 4. But I still doubt it. I think the wave 5 is going to be taken, and we finish a wave 1 over there, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 continuation for new highs. Yep, so this is regarding NASDAQ for this daily close. I would say also SPX as well, showing the same thing. Yeah, the same thing exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Obviously, the things are going in diagonal here. Very likely, we might not reach, of course, the target as a blue box. Don't forget the wave 5 decides always if only it wants to take the high or if it wants to extend. It's not like a wave 3. The most profitable always is a wave 3, therefore be careful from a wave 5. Sometimes it gets, of course, very short. And in this case, we are going also in a potential ending diagonal here for a wave 5, that it might finish here a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside for new highs as well. For SPX, that was it for the daily close for the US stocks indexes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.